Okay, if you have a motorized shade and it has quit working, or if it is a roller shade and has started beeping, that means it's time to change the batteries. Anything older than 2023 is probably going to have an external battery pack, which would be mounted behind the shade in the window opening. It's a matter of popping it out of the little C-clips that are up there, unplug it, go to the end away, and it just unscrews. Make sure you keep the old batteries separate from the new ones. I've got two different brands here, so it's easy to go, easy to follow. On the tube itself, it shows you what direction your batteries need to go back in. So you've got your positive side down. So you're gonna put your 8 AA batteries in, all going in the same direction. If one battery goes in the wrong direction, it can do one of two things. It either just won't work, or sometimes it corrodes the batteries next to it, and then you would probably have to replace the wand itself. But once you get the new batteries in, you're gonna plug it, and you'll see there's a groove on one end with a little corresponding strip inside of that one. So those are gonna line up there. With a honeycomb, it's going to give you a little movement like that to let you know that it's recorded or registered that there's a new, or that it has power again. With a roller shade, you will not get that. You would just hit your power, and there it's ready to go.